So we provide solutions in the breeding, in the agriculture space for breeding. That includes plants and animals. We have customers in the animals place, and we also have customers in crops in plants. What we're doing now is bring technology to that equation by, again, identifying the genetic code of that crop, and then basically being able to allow you to eliminate or enhance what the traits that you're looking for, not only through the physical, but also through the genetic code of that same crop. Well, if you believe technology is going to play a big role in seed companies, in developing crops that are better, produce more yield, more resistant, require less water, can resist the changing climate. If you believe that technology is going to be embraced by those seed companies for those purposes, then you're going to find more and more seed companies embracing NRGene as the sort of the standard platform solution for them. So the founders set up the company in 2010 with the understanding that there's a lot of value if you understand genetics. So if you can identify the genes that are responsible for certain traits, that's the holy grail. So you can really speed up your time to market in terms of your crop development process. And so genetics is becoming more and more into play. Here in Israel, there's a lot of know-how in genetics, and so the founders come from that background, identified the opportunity, and developed the company over the last 8 years. We have over 100 customers to date. We've mapped out over 400 genomes to date. We're the largest that's the largest database ever created by any other player in this field. So we're pretty well established in this field. We create tremendous amounts of data. Mapping out genomes requires a lot of data. You have to understand the genomic code of these crops becomes really the IP of those breeding companies. So they want to have the comfort that they're working with a key partner, and of course AWS is the standard in this industry. It really helps us initiate the discussions when we explain that we're cloud-based and we work with AWS. People like to hear that, so that's perfect.